here in Laughlin. Weather looks like it's going to hold up. We were expecting a lot of rain, but the ground's nice and firm. Should be some good racing today.
The CEO of the Golden Nugget riding with Jim Riley, the owner of Azunia Tequila there on the inside. Probably scared to death.
We actually did something a little special today. We took Tom Pullman from the Golden Nugget GM, put him in the car to navigate for us. We knew we weren't in it for the money anymore, so we figured we were just having a good time. So we educated him, threw him in the seat. We ran 2 laps with that guy. I think he's still smiling ear to ear driving back to Vegas. What a day, man. I started in the back of the line. I got a lot of expert drivers out there. People are battling for the money. You know, no holds barred out here because this is the end of the year. I know people just want to wreck their equipment. Having a lot of fun. Blue Bears, you know, showing me the ropes for hitting the gas, but motor's opening up. And lo and behold, you know, we rolled it. Absolutely hilarious how fast Blue Bear got out of that car, man. I'm still hanging on trying to get the battery turned off, and he's outside the car going, what just happened? We actually wound up finishing the race, and the car was still in one piece. We Frankensteined it together with zip ties and hammers and whatever else we could find. I think there's even a little duct tape on there. So here's MJ from the city of Laughlin. She's the one that got us all out here. Appreciate it.
No problem. We're glad everybody came out. We had a great turnout this weekend. We got Azunia Tequila, the first location in Nevada. We have it in the Golden Nugget now, so I think it was a win-win for everybody out there.
Okay.